thunderstorm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Northeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles south of Meridian to near Edmond, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northeastern Oklahoma City, Eastern Edmond, Luther, Wellston, Kearney, Arcadia, Warwick, Fallis, and Parkland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight